How to fix Spotify Premium not activating on app. So if you want to fix your Spotify Premium not activating on your app, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your browser. And after opening your browser, you need to log in to your Spotify on your browser. So search for Spotify or go with spotify.com. And here you need to go and log in. Once you've logged in, you need to go with Premium, which is on the bottom right. From your browser, you just need to simply check your plan right over here. If you have a premium free plan, most likely it's because your premium has actually expired, or maybe the payment details fail and you might want to upgrade it again. But in case you have a premium plan, what you want to do is, first of all, you need to open up your Spotify, and maybe you just bought a premium plan. What you want to do is, first of all, you need to log out of this current account. So to do that, you need to just go with the upper left, which has that profile option. And from here, you need to just go with settings and privacy, and then scroll down and you'll have logout option on the very bottom. So you need to just click on logout, and again, you need to log in back to your account. And once you've logged in back, your problem might be fixed. Or if that doesn't fix your problem, then the next thing we need to do is just open up your Play Store, go with your search, and from the search, you need to search for Spotify. And once you search for Spotify, if you have any updates, you need to go and update the application. After updating, you need to just log back into your Spotify and check, and your problem will be fixed. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.